I was asked 5 years ago if we could do something with Leukemia Cup in the Detroit River. Now, Leukemia Cup is something that's being held in yacht clubs throughout the country. And it's a fundraiser for research and treatment for leukemia and lymphoma. And when they came to me and said, well, can we have a sailboat race in the Detroit River? I said, yeah, we can. We've got some Club Flying Scot boats, but what about kayaks? And they said, well, gee, we never thought about kayaks. Well, right here at DYC, we have a kayak club, and throughout our area, we have many paddling groups. It's an exploding sport. We had them register in advance online, and then they come to the club and they get their boats in the water. And what we do, much like sailboats, because sailboats start their race with a starting gun and off they go. So we had a separate men's and women's division for kayaks that were over 18 feet, and then sort of a middle-sized racing kayak, 15 to 18 feet. And then under 15 are the recreational people. Today, between paddle boards and kayaks, I think we had 40 paddlers. Plus we had, I think, 14 Flying Scots.
We are really looking at a cure, not treatments, but a cure. And we can do that because of all of you. Every single time that you talk about Leukemia Cup, every single dollar you bring in, that makes a difference for cancer patients and their families. So give yourselves a round of applause.